Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2007 Kia Sorento. We start our walk around on the driver's side. Stop and look at the tires there. Nice set of Goodyears, still have a lot of tread left. Just point out any little dents, dings, scratches we see along the way here. It does have a nice set of step assists that's been added. Again, a couple little spots there, just little blemishes on the driver's side. Little spot at the rear bumper. Again, a couple more down the passenger side here, which most of these little door dings, shopping cart marks, all going to be chalked up to kind of normal wear and tear on a vehicle. Looking at the interior, you do get full power for the driver's seat. It's a nice ash gray leather seating. 125,481 is your current mileage. You've got AM, FM, CD. You got heated seats, dual climate control. It is an automatic. All the flooring surface is going to be gray. Looking in the back seat area now, we'll just do a nice slow pan over the seats there. No signs of any rips or tears. And then you do get some additional cup holders and a power port in the back seat. Looking in the cargo area now, additional power port back here. Both of these back seats do lay down flat, so you do get nice pass-through storage all the way to the back of the front seats. One more look from the passenger side. There is an integrated armrest here for a little added comfort. We did go ahead and remove the rear headrest so we can go ahead and flip and fold the back seat. Showing you that nice flat pass-through storage. There's your headrest. Finishing up in the front passenger seat. One more shot of that seating surface. And take one more spin around the back. This model does have a sunroof as well, and that's going to wrap up your 2007 Kia Sorento.